What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use quiet mode in Instagram. Now you might want to use this for various reasons, and whether it might be that you're sleeping at night and you don't want to be disturbed by those notifications and messages, or you currently want to stay focused and not be disturbed by those Instagram messages, notifications, etc. Right? So for whatever reason that you want to stay focused, then this tutorial is perfect for you because I'll be showing you how to use the quiet mode. Now, how do you use this? You want to click on your profile on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click the three lines at the top right hand side. From here, you want to click on your activity, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says time spent. Now, once you click on that, you will see that option that says quiet mode, the middle one there. It says mute notifications and auto reply to messages at night or whenever you need to focus. So that's very clear. Now, if you click on that, you will see the option to turn it on. So you just need to toggle that on. And from there, you can set a start and an end time. And you can also go ahead and choose between days. So if you want it to be for particular days, you can select them, and then you will also see which days are selected, and you will also be able to set the times by simple clicking on the time, and you can play around with the time there whichever you want, right? But that's how you go about turning it on, right?